It's month 11 of the year, and I think it's time that we do a growth update video, because it's been some time since I gave an update in terms of the length of the beard. I think last time was maybe 3 or 4 months in. I think it was 4 months in I gave a growth update. I think it was something like 3.5 inches long from the bottom of my lip, so just under the side there from the lip down. So I decided to measure it today, see how well it's doing now in month 11, because I kind of assumed that the growth would probably slow down somewhat. I don't think it grows rapidly fast all the way through. I think it just depends on a lot of factors, let's be honest. Genes, diet, exercise, testosterone levels, a lot of stuff like that. I measured it up today and it's coming in at 7 inches. Some parts of it, because obviously it's not straight, it's not uniformed, it's not been cut to look good and symmetrical as of yet. It was coming in over 7 inches, some bits under, but majority of it was over 7 inches long. So in 11 months I've managed to grow a 7-inch beard, and I think that's kind of incredible. It's not really what I was expecting. I wasn't really expecting to be able to grow a beard this long. I mean, obviously you guys, if you've been watching these videos from maybe last year when I started doing them, from sort of January 2018, saw that I had a larger beard and then I cut it down to a shorter beard, but it never really got to this sort of length. It's good that I'm able to do it, and it's kind of getting me intrigued to see how much further I can, despite part of me wanting to go back to sort of the beard stash look and having a really short beard and a really cool curled and styled mustache. So I think for now I'm gonna keep going, keep growing and seeing how big this beard can get. But as soon as I hit the 28th of July, I am getting it styled, I'm getting it shaped, and I'm going to do regular trims maybe every month, maybe every other month, or I might do it sort of quarterly throughout the year. And I'll get rid of any flyaway hairs and broken hairs and split ends and things like that, because I don't think they look good, and I've kind of been dealing with them for about 6 months now, and it's just one of those things that I'm not really, it's just one of those things I don't really like having to deal with, especially when it's so easy just to, get some scissors and deal with it. Anyway, it's a quick update video for the year month 11. I'll catch you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.